In today's video, we're going to learn how to mine AZCoiner. It has been confirmed and it's a legitimate airdrop that you can actually mine and make quite a lot of money out of it right now. So to get started, you need to go to your Play Store. I'm going to download that right now. And then in the search box right here, just type AZCoiner and search for it. And that's just this particular one that is here right now. So you need to click on install to install it. Alright, so once that is done downloading, it's going to start installing. Okay, so it's scanning. Alright, so it seems like the installation is successful and we can now go ahead and open that up. So we can click on this open button right here to go open it, or you can go to where your apps are actually located and then you should be able to click on the icon right there to open it up. So what I want to do is to go ahead and then register with them right now. So I'm going to just click next to go through all these slides and then click on let's start. And what I want to do is to go ahead and click on login or register. So I'm going to click on that place and then it's going to open up this page for me. And what I basically want to do is to actually register. So I should click on the link that says register just down here. Okay, so that's the link I'm going to click on. And let me just go ahead and enter my email. So this is going to be that right there. And we can go ahead and enter the password that I would want to use. So let me go ahead and do that off camera. Alright, so I have that entered and let's accept the alliances agreement by clicking on this check box and let's say we agree. And once that is actually done, you can go ahead and then retype your password down here, and then you can go ahead and click on register. Okay, so we are going to have to try to prove that we are not actually robots by trying to select animals that are actually similar to the following COT right here. So I think this one is similar and this one is also similar, and is there another also the one in here is also similar. So I think that those three are actually similar. So we need to click on next and let's select this one also, and I think that's all on this page. So let's click on verify. And it seems like that's a kind of a works through. So the next thing we need to do is to verify the email that we entered. So that must have been some code they sent to us through our email. So if we check right here, and as you can see, my own is right here. It says 776607 right there. So I'm going to just say 77660 0 watts. 07 right there. So let me enter 7 and then click on verify, and it says that the verification is actually successful. We can now go ahead and click on close, and it's actually now time for us to go ahead and then log in. So let's log in with the credentials we use in creating the account. Alright, so I have my password entered. So the next thing is to click on login. Alright, so let me enter my personal information right here, and this is okay, and let's go ahead and enter our username. I'm going to just go ahead and enter Kino right there, and let's go ahead and down here we need to just go ahead and then enter the referral code, which is actually going to be I'll show you the referral code that I'm using on the screen so that you can use that, or you can check the description of this video so that you can get that. Okay, so let's do that right now, and once you get that entered, you can go ahead and click on continue, and your account has actually been created. Okay, so they are trying to let you connect to Web3, and let's go ahead and click on next, and let's also click on next. And I think that basically what they are asking us to do. Alright, so if you are logged in right now and then you have actually done all that you are actually supposed to do, this is how the interface is actually looking, guys. And so, but if you take a look at here right here, I have 4 AZC already, which is actually a bonus. Okay, so I have that right here. And so for us to start mining this right now, after we have been given our bonus right here, we can just basically go and then click on this icon that is at the top right corner, this spark icon right here. I'm going to just touch it right now, this particular icon. So that's just what you need to click on to claim your airdrop, and you should be doing this every 24 hours. So what I want to do right now is go ahead and then click on that. And as you can see, the mining kind of starts. So that's just how to actually get started with mining your AZCoin. Alright, so I believe that this video is actually helpful. What I'm going to do right now is that you should check the comment section or the description box below so that you can actually get your code, your referral code that you can actually use to complete the registration. Okay, so after 24 hours you need to come back and then perform this same process of trying to mine this particular thing that we have in here. Okay, all right, so what I want to do next is let me just click on back right here, and then I'm back to this particular interface. All right, so that is just that. All right, so if you have any questions, don't forget to ask your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be out there to answer your questions. So thanks for watching, guys, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.